So I kept seeing these DIY lash cluster kit on the TikTok shop, and I finally got some. And I just used size 14 all the way across. I like the tweezers. They're like this. And they was like really easy to pick up the lashes. I notice sometimes when I have tweezers that's like this and I pick up the lash, they break. So I'm gonna see if these last all day. So I'm probably gonna take them off when I wash my face. Well, I'm gonna see if they still stay on until tomorrow. But I like the way they look. They look real natural. And I just used size 14. Did a like soft wing today. Little eyeliner for pop of color, and I'm gonna do a light brown lipstick today. My no makeup look. Let my man tell it I don't need makeup at all. But it's nice to have someone where like I don't feel the need to get all dolled up if I don't want to. Like, yeah, you know, I don't be looking rough all the time, but I'm just saying, like, I don't have to. I do it because I choose to, not because he'd be like, well, damn, you're not gonna get all dressed up and put no makeup on because we going out. Like, he'll rather me just come as I am and just, you know, do my hair, put on a little lipstick to match my hair. He likes when I wear red lipstick. But it's going really good. Like, he has a funny sense of humor, so sometimes I can't tell if he's joking or not, but he stay having me laugh, keeps me smiling. He tells me I'm a good woman, and he don't ask me for anything, and I feel like he appreciates everything that I do. Like, he doesn't take it for granted. Because me, like, I'm a nurturer, and I like to cater to my man, make sure they eat, you know, bring them lunch, make sure he eat dinner, stuff like that. So I just feel like we're going in a real positive direction, like, especially for the fact that I know that we can be honest and open with each other, and that's very big and important in a relationship. Anyway, I have to be at work at 11. It's 10:13. Shit, I was up at like 5 o'clock in the morning, so I had a nightmare. Don't remember what I dreamed about, but I woke up sweating, and my scarf was completely off my bed. I scared my cat because I must have woke up like, ah! Or something, and he ran out the room. But I called my boyfriend, and he made me feel better by talking to him. And then I ended up getting up because I was hungry. Made some breakfast, made some coffee, brought him some, ate my breakfast, and then I took a nap. So now I'm about to go get dressed, comb out my hair, trying to figure out what earrings I'm gonna wear today, and then I'll be back to show y'all the completed look. Alright. I didn't feel like having my hair all the way down today because it's pretty hot already. And then my boyfriend gave me these earrings, so I was like, I'm gonna wear these today. Then I just did a soft lip. But here's the completed look. Happy Sunday, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.